So today's cake is a bright, colourful DIY construction type theme. It's for Oliver, who's 2, and I've made the 2 out of icing and sort of given it the wooden effect with the little wood panels. Tape measure, all made out of icing. That's an edible image backed onto some modelling paste. The saw is what the customer gave me, and she had this idea that it would be quite good if it gives the illusion of it cutting into the cake and all the chocolate buttons falling out. I've got some hazard tape round that area. And then the tools, which I've made out of icing using a mould. And it all comes together, bright, colourful and suitable for a 2-year-old.